Let's go for filling the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. I lent rupees 4,000 for 9 months at a 12.5%, at a 12% per annum CI, at a 12% per annum CI. If interest is calculated quarterly, what will I get? What will I get after 9 months? After 9 months. What will I get after 9 months? This is my question. Okay, sir. Let us see the solution for that. Principal is equal to rupees 4,000. Time is equal to 9 months. Nominal rate of interest is equal to 12% per annum. Nominal rate of interest is equal to 12% per annum. 12% per annum. So I is equal to 0.12 divided by 4. Because interest is calculated quarterly, it is 0.03. N is equal to T by 12 into 4. It is given in months. So first we have to convert into years. 9 by 12 into 4. 3. So in 9 months, how many times bank will calculate the interest, sir? 3 times it will calculate the interest. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus I whole power n. So this is 4,000 into 1.03 whole to the power of 3. 1.03 into multiplied with 4,000. 4370. 4370.91 is equal to rupees 4370.908. This is the amount the person will get after 9 months. Let us see question number 2. The compound interest, it is a good question, sir. The compound interest on rupees 5,000 for 3 years. If the rate of interest is if the rate of interest is 5%, 6% and 7%, 5%, 6% and 7% for the first, second and third years respectively. For the first, second and third years and third year respectively is compound interest we have to calculate. So how can we solve this question, sir? First we will calculate compound amount at changing rates. compound amount at changing rates. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus I1 whole power n1, 1 plus I2 whole power n2, 1 plus I3 whole power n3. Here principal is equal to 5000, 1.05 whole power 1, 1.06 whole power 1, 1.07 whole power 1. We have to multiply these values. We have to multiply these values. This is 1.05 into 1.06 into 1.07 is equal to, multiplied with 5000, 5954.55. This is equal to rupees 5954.55. This is amount, sir. Compound interest is amount minus principal. This is rupees 5954.55 minus 5000. This is equal to rupees 954.55. This is the compound interest. 954.55 is the compound interest. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. The difference between SI and CI on rupees 4000 for 2.5 years. 2.5 years at 10% per annum is, at 10% per annum is question mark. Now see the solution, sir.